Has your Adobe Photoshop suddenly stopped working on your Windows 7 machine, leaving you in a creative drought? First, let's address the most common culprit: incompatible updates. Sometimes recent updates can cause conflicts. Restart your computer to clear the cache, then try opening Photoshop again. Did it work? If not, let's proceed. Now, open Photoshop. In the menu bar, select Help and then click on the Troubleshooting option. Follow the suggestions Adobe recommends for any detected issues. This may involve checking for driver updates or running a diagnostic tool. Next, consider a quick file check. Right-click your Photoshop application icon. Head to Properties, then the Compatibility tab. Ensure the Run this program in compatibility mode for box is unchecked. If it's checked, uncheck it and try launching Photoshop again. If problems still persist, let's examine the Event Viewer. Search for Event Viewer in your Start menu. Look for any error messages related to Photoshop around the time it crashed. These messages might offer clues about the specific cause of the issues. If none of these steps rectify the problem, it may be time to perform the software's reinstallation. Uninstall Photoshop and then install its latest version. Again, remember to back up your custom settings or brushes after installing the software. Restart your PC. Hopefully, these methods have helped you get back on track.